How to split screen in your Windows 11 computer system. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can split screen in Windows 11. So in order to split screen in Windows 11, the first thing that you need to do is head on towards the settings of your Windows 11 computer. So to head on towards the setting, simply move your cursor towards the taskbar, and when the start button appears, simply right click onto this, and then from here choose settings. This will lead you to the settings of your computer. Now from here you can see this system tab. So simply click onto this system tab to access the system settings. Now under the system settings, you can scroll down and you will find this option of multitasking. It says snap windows, desktop, and task switching as well. So simply click onto this multitasking option, and under the multitasking option you can see this first option that says snap windows. Snap windows to automatically resize and arrange them into layers. So you need to enable this feature right here and make sure that all of these are tick mark or enabled. So once you are done turning on this feature, then we will be able to split our screen in Windows 11. So for example, let's try it out with the settings application itself. So what you need to do is hover your cursor over to this full screen button, and you will get a layout like this from where you can split your screen. So you can either use this 1 by 2 configurations, or these 1 by 3 configurations, or these 1 by 4 configuration, where your screen will be divided into 4 parts, 3 parts, and 2 parts. So if you want to divide your screen into 2 parts, you can simply choose this option right here, and here you can see that the settings is now appearing in half of the screen, and here are your recently opened applications from which you can choose to put into the other half. So for example, let me put the Microsoft Store right here, and here you can see that I can use both of these applications in this split screen. So that's how you can also choose other options like the 4 screen or the 1 by 3 split screen. So that's how easily you can split screen in your Windows 11 computer. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.